you guys are really, really good, so we're bringing our A game. You guys want to meet the WWE Superstars?
Yeah!
All right, good, good. All right. First off, please let me welcome, I'll show you his own, Indy Hartwell.
Thank you.
You look like you're ready. You can stand there if you want. You stand wherever you want. All right, next up, guys, make some noise for Candice LeRae. All right, you might be able to help me out on this next one. Please welcome L.A. Knight. There it is.
We got one more.
All right, last but not least, please welcome Special Olympics Global Ambassador Drew McIntyre.